Hello everyone, fellow human from all walks of life all over the world. This is Cool Dudes. And for this video, tuturo ko sa inyo is kung paano magbayad ng PhilHealth using GCash ngayong 2022. Kasi guys, yung mga previous video ko is medyo outdated na, tapos nag-update na rin si PhilHealth ng interface nila. Kasi dati-dati walang PMaya, ngayon meron ng PMaya. So, para mas simplified na natin yung pagbabayad ng PhilHealth using GCash, so I created this video para update ito dun sa bagong interface na meron si PhilHealth. Okay guys, this video is intended for self-employed individual only. And make it sure na na-update nyo na ang profile nyo or account nyo sa nearest PhilHealth office, or kung hindi pa man, so pwede kayong mag-email sa actioncenter@philhealth.gov.ph. Okay guys, simulan na natin. All you have to do is punta kayo sa members portal, which is, ang URL niya is memberinquiry.philhealth.gov.ph /member/. Okay? So, login na kayo using your PhilHealth ID. So, enter nyo lang yung PhilHealth ID number nyo. Then, after that, enter your password. Then, CAPTCHA. After that, click the login. Okay guys. So, punta kayo. So, automatically guys, pag na-update nyo na yung profile nyo or yung account nyo sa PhilHealth, merong payment management. So, kung walang payment management, it's better to go to nearest PhilHealth office or email actioncenter@philhealth.gov.ph. Punta kayo sa Generate SPA. So, click nyo lang yung number of months. So, ang babayaran ko ngayon is May. So, I'll just click Generate Statement of Premium Account. Then, you're about to generate SPA for this application period. Click Yes to proceed. Otherwise, click No. I'll just click Yes. And then, after that, click nyo lang yung Pay. Hi guys, kung bago lang kayo magbabayad online, so by default, pag kayo ay nandun sa may pinakamababang bracket ng sahod, so ang minimum na babayaran nyo sa PhilHealth is 300 pesos. So click nyo lang yung Mayeg Philippines, then click Yes. So pupunta kayo sa application ni Mayeg, so click Next. Okay, so nandito na kayo sa Mayeg Philippines. So ito na yung bagong interface ni Mayeg Payment Gateway. Okay guys, like I mentioned, dalawa na yung choice nyo pag mobile. So, just click yung GCash. Then, please take note na may 15 pesos na convenience fee pag gumamit kayo ng GCash. Then, click Proceed. Then, click OK. So, all you have to do is to enter your GCash number. So, dito sa aking profile is nakalagay na yung GCash. So, normally, gumagamit talaga ako ng GCash pag magbabayad ako ng PhilHealth. Then, click Next. So, enter nyo lang yung GCash na 6-digit authentication code. Then, click Next. So, after that, i-enter nyo naman yung MP nyo, MP ng GCash nyo, then click Next. Then click Pay. Okay guys, once you click the Pay, automatically magsisend ng SMS dun sa mobile number nyo. Then automatically din, mag-generate siya ng payment result. So guys, after nyo mabayaran yung PhilHealth nyo gamit yung GCash, pwede nyo i-screenshot or pwedeng hindi na rin, kasi automatically yung email address na ginamit nyo sa inyong PhilHealth is automatically marireceive niya yung resibo. Okay? So guys, take note also na yung pag-post ng payment nyo, it will take sometimes yung pag-post ng premium nyo sa mismong account nyo. Normally sa akin, minsan nag-a-appear siya the following day, minsan naman 2 to 3 working days. So, ang lagi ko guys sinasabi sa mga tao na nagtatanong sa akin kung kailan mapopost, normally ang sinasabi ko is 2 to 3 working days. Okay? So guys, that's all for today. Always remember, God loves you. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification for more videos. Thank you guys for watching and hope nakatulong tong video na to para mas maliwanagan kayo at malaman nyo yung tamang proseso ng pagbabayad ng PhilHealth gamit ang GCash. That's all for today guys. Bye for now and always remember, it is cool to be wise. Bye-bye! See you in my next video.